Hello guys and welcome to best memes I found on TikTok. I upload every Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. Like and subscribe now, enjoy the video.
There was a misinput, calm down! You calm the fuck down! There was a misinput! To make people fucking listen to me!
Oh, hello. Hi.
Oh, get your musty digits off my back. Did you forget who I am? How dare you place them upon me?
You are done. Fired.
Somewhere beyond the sea, somewhere waiting for me, my lover stands on golden sands and watches the ships that go sailing. Somewhere beyond the sea, she's there watching for me. If I could fly like birds on high, then straight to her arms I'd go sailing. It's far beyond the star, it's near beyond the moon. I know beyond a doubt my heart will lead me there soon. We'll meet beyond the shore, we'll kiss just as before. Happy we'll be beyond the sea, and never again I'll go say
My cancer is back.
You're 8 minutes late. You're 14 minutes late. You're 3 minutes early. In Chicago.
Oh shit.
I cannot believe
The really cool thing about it is that the screen goes like a full like 180. Like, you guys know how they have like those like tablet laptops? Like the screen comes all the way back. I'm pretty sure this laptop does that as well. Okay, wait, maybe not.
If you like titties, say hey.
Hey.
Well, guess, that's it. Quite right, huh?
Oh, hey, creeper. Oh.
Why did the blind man fall into the well? Because he couldn't see that well. I want to fucking kill myself.
I don't have a weapon!
That's a weapon.
This is a bucket!
Dear God, there's more. No.
Bongle bongle dingle dangle, yickety doo, yickety da, ping pong, lippy tappy too.
diamond.
That's diamond!
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and have a good day.